Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood chippers that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wood Chipper and Shredder Tow Bar Kit. Truth be told, this is undoubtedly one of the simple and easiest wood chippers in the market. It takes less than a minute to mount it on a lawn tractor. Operating it is also straightforward thanks to the simple on, off button and basic design. While it may look smaller than other options out there, this unit is quite impressive. It will effortlessly reduce wood, twigs, shredders to a smaller size without producing too much noise. Moving the chipper is also effortless thanks to the fairly large plastic wheels. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wood Chipper Shredder. The first thing that drew my attention to this wood chipper was the oversized funnel that made inserting the wood, twigs and leaves comfortable and convenient. It is also easy to maneuver courtesy of the large pneumatic wheels that move swiftly even on rough surfaces. I love the powerful motor that doesn't struggle even when handling large volumes of debris. This is partly because of the sturdy steel blades that chop pretty fast and don't quickly lose their sharp edge. At number 3, we have the Electric Wood Chipper. My neighbor has owned the CSV2515 from Patriot Portrait, and I agree that it's one of the best wood chippers around. It's very quiet, and you can hardly hear it unless you listen keenly or see him using it. I love the large hopper that is found in the top area because of its simplicity and large dimension. This makes introducing branches, twigs and leaves easy and convenient. The unit also features large wheels that move seamlessly on different surfaces, while the powerful motor produces tiny chips and discharges them to a standard collection bag. At number 2, we have the Wood Chipper Shredder. I have helped my brother chip wood, shred leaves, and prepare mulch with the 9,060,300 chipper shredders from Earthquake. And it is definitely among the best wood chippers on this review and market as well. It boasts of a very powerful engine that can handle even the toughest branches or twigs. Inserting them into the machine is easy and convenient thanks to the large metal cone and decent height. It features heavy-duty hammers and knives that shred into tiny pieces that can be used as much. And finally, at number 1, we have the Electric Wood Chipper Shredder. I believe that the Snow Joe CJ601E is not just one of the top wood chippers around but the best. Not because I currently own it, but due to its reliability, performance, and efficiency. I have held it for more than 1 year, and it has never let me down. It starts very easily and maintains its good performance throughout. The chipper reduces the branches, leaves, and twigs to the smallest size I have ever seen, and it's also the most silent. Pushing or pulling it is very easy and effortlessly courtesy of the lightweight and large wheels. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.